Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how to make these simple and easy homemade chicken sandwiches using store-bought whole chicken. So to start things off, you want to have some buns and chicken. Those are your main ingredients. And then we're going to take out the buns. Yes, that sounds kind of wrong. And we will then begin to use our chicken. So this chicken is leftovers that I've had in my fridge, and so I'm just taking it apart and we'll be shredding it to create these chicken sandwiches. Now, because I'm doing it for my family, I like to separate it into two kinds, dark meat and white meat, and that's what I am doing here. And it's a little bit messy. You want to wash your hands, and I'm showing you here that I've separated it. I think I even have a part with a little bone in there. That's for my hubby. And then we just start by placing it on the bun. Guys, these are definitely healthier than the ones that you'll buy out there because it's a little bit less salty. We do get this chicken from Costco, and it's just I find it a lot fresher, it's tastier, and it's not as loaded with salt as the other ones that I've seen, and just even fast food. Next, you want to get some lettuce. The one that I like to use is romaine hearts, and I just like to break it. Then I remove the core and will kind of shred it into tiny pieces, and then I will go ahead and give it another rinse. Next, I do put it in a salad spinner because I find that this will dry out the excess water, and then I just apply it onto each sandwich, or and yeah, just basically apply as much as you like. If you're a big fan of lettuce, just load it all up, and yeah. And so this is just what it looks like, just basically lettuce and chicken. I know it's rather simple, but some people just may not know about this little secret. So then you can put whatever else you want on there. If you want to add cheese, we've gone ahead and added cheese. I wish I had tomatoes, which would have gone perfectly, but I did not. So this is what they look like when they are completed, guys. You can put whatever you want, probably mayo, ketchup, and whatever other condiments. I did leave all my family members to kind of put whatever condiments they wanted on themselves. And yeah. So here is just a quick view of what the sandwiches look like. I did make, I believe, 8, and they're rather simple. You can go ahead and just throw some veggies, cucumbers and celery and carrots or whatever you want on the side. They are that easy and simple. You can also use a hot dog bun for this. There you go. Have it with cheese and lettuce or just whatever else you want. Just trying to mix it up here to let you know that if you don't have other hamburger buns, hot dog buns are sufficient. Same thing, bread, protein, and some veggies. So hope you guys enjoyed this little mini video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun videos. Thanks for watching. Much love.